Hey guys, so I have this Nintendo game which you can see has been heavily damaged, I'm guessing by some kind of liquid. It's all bent in the back too. I tried playing it, that definitely didn't work. So I opened it up just to see what's inside a Nintendo game. Like you can see there's already some corrosion here. And this chip is all corroded and messed up. That's probably why it's not working. It's not a super valuable game, so it doesn't really matter if I scrap it or not. So it's a simple green board with gold pins at the bottom. I'm assuming they would be considered as good as RAM chips. So if you guys usually cut the tips out, cut them out. If not, send in the board like that. You also have 1, 2, 3, 4 chips here that probably have gold in it, and another let's say benefit to having one of these opened is to know if the game is real or not. And this one is real. It's a cheap game, so they wouldn't have made a fake out of it. But if you ever have really expensive games, for example Bobble Bubble 3 or Little Samson, things like that, that are worth hundreds of dollars, the only way to really tell if they're real is if you open them up. And the real ones usually have, or not usually, always have the Nintendo logos. And they don't look as nice also. I recently had opened a Mario and there was like these black blobs kind of holding things together. So if you see anything like that, or you don't see a Nintendo logo, it's probably a fake. So this is what a Nintendo games looks like when it's opened up. Like I said, this one's garbage. I'm not gonna bother. I made a Sega Genesis video about what the cartridges looked like inside, and one person mentioned that these chips could be reused to fix other games. That could be a good idea if you know what you're doing, but I wouldn't know how to test these chips in any meaningful way to know if they work or not. So that's it for this short video. If you guys have any questions, like and subscribe. I usually answer my messages pretty quickly. If you guys have any suggestions on what you want me to scrap next, I'm all open to ideas, and see if I can get that item. So talk to you guys soon.